Minglava dini nasane tonyani jadabrini bo. Samuel in a better video Gavamale Pike Bude Johnny the Chu Shi no. Said somewhere Piampia Mesura Piampi then a Lujara the Gavaya Ponzanize when Piampi Luya retake the Luya. Adigama the Ponzanga Never one Japan Mazo Tsunami. Not how Sadim Mapide, John Dari, somewhere unbelated. Some students were passed. So based on mock exams, but Adima, somewhere go mock exams, somewhere Jibons and you, somewhere go BP label. Jonathan the louder on my lazy solution, don't that do ya, don't that do my yellow say on about that pigeon educated trouble. Adiga fair pion or fairness pion go along, a gonzo miata pion. Which are going to be then about that to PMA also. My PMA also solution or general UK man at home say COVID-19 period come out. When I in a better in town say, John estimated grace was she ever come and had a medical don't you later. General come and had a medical blue American and solution would lab up she that I'm European and will not some way pin idea maybe a medical come and on be later mu on be a medic quabe alumu also jades on alumu also to that happy label that also so one also pit on somewhere be also got a medical on my son lazy swim. I don't the dome on my book, no? That PMP in through improved pitching solution. PMP PM. Pablo a column peak and Lumia. A column peak and Lumia, so Diary, Naji Jetty, say Naji Jetty, say them Kuadi, and enjoy it as we meet on the Sida people. To do my carry my shine, true master, I say that I see that. I will write baby kind of me. Simple view, no? Judge no to go in me. Alam you. Pakistan ma pire pipia ka jara na sanne ma ye ji lo pire thikai khan de jaung da li myo jara tu do got special concessions or delayed exam ba tu do pyin sain chain tu do ba law yu me 6 la la 3 la la no di jaung da de agreement လုပ်ပြီးဒါဖြန့်ဖြေမဲ့နောက်တစ်မျိုးအုပ်စုပေါ့အဲ့တော့အစိုးရသတ်မှတ်ထားတာက6လပိုင်းဆိုလို့ရှိရင်နံပါတ်1နဲ့နံပါတ်3မှာဂျပန်နဲ့ပါကစ္စတန်မှာဖြန့်ဖြေမယ်ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်အဲ့လိုပုံစံတွေကဖြေမယ်ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်ပို့ပြီးတော့ဖြေမဲ့အုပ်စုတအုပ်စုပေါ့ဒါတို့ဖြေနိုင်မဲ့ ready ရှိမဲ့အုပ်စုပေါ့ဒီလို UK ရဲ့ပုံစံတိုင်းဆိုတော့ estimated grades ကိုတန်းခန့်မှန်းပေါ့တို့ဒီအဲ့အမှတ်ကိုအကောင်းဆုံးကြည့်ပြီးတော့ level တွေ grade တွေကိုကြည့်ပြီးတော့အောင်ပေးလိုက်တာမျိုးပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဆိုတော့ပိုစင်ပြေမလားပေါ့ okay အကျဉ်းလေးပြုပေးပါအောင်နော်အဲ့တော့တို့